So this Jemison has a 2-car garage. As you come inside, you'll see to the right you have a laundry area. This would be the front door. And this is the foyer. Gonna have a nice coat closet here. First, we'll look around at the kitchen area before we go off to the rest of the house. You're gonna see solid surface counters. Nice open plan for the kitchen, dining, and living area. Here's our very large pantry. Nice big walk-in pantry. Closet. Nice patio area out here for grilling or enjoying seeing the outdoors. And this is going to be your master. Plenty of space in this. That's a king bed and there is plenty of space. This is not a tight master at all. A nice little sitting area over here too. Nice big windows for seeing outside. Nice ensuite bath. Nice size walk-in closet. Large walk-in shower, toilet closet in here. Nice double solid surface sink. Plenty of space for getting ready. And a linen closet over here. And back out to the main living area. So we have the master bedroom all the way at the back of the house. We have this additional bedroom off from the kitchen here. And now we're going to go back out towards the exit, but we're going to veer off and instead view this additional bathroom in here. This also has the solid surface vanity. We have a large linen closet again here. And we have the third bedroom here. Cute bunk bed. And nice size closet. So that completes the Jemison. Here off to the right is a closet for the HVAC. And now we're going to take a look at the amenities that are offered at Titus Park.